So previously we created this calendar. So now I need to have some kind of iterations on it because it's really, really far from being perfect. So first of all, there's no point of giving me as a user the the opportunity to actually book something from the past. So I need him to actually disable the days that are not relevant anymore. Also, my client is starting to work on 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. So that will be the slots. Also, I think we need to have quarter of an hour also, not just an hour slots. And I think we're going to start with that. And the most important thing, yes, I remember now, when I, as a person, as a user, click on something, choosing that, I need to have popping up the form of what what I want. Who am I? What do I want from the shop, from the mechanic? What problem do I have? And all those kind of things. All the things that we had in the form in the beginning. So let's start. First of all, please, I always talk to him really, really politely. I don't know why, but this is what I do. Please disable the days, the days that are not relevant anymore from the past. Also, the hours, should begin at 10 a.m. and finished on 5 p.m. Please also add 30 minutes intervals of every hour and add the form after the user choose one of the slots. I don't want to tell him exactly what I want. I imagine a pop-up or a popover. I don't want to tell him. I just want to see what he will do, and then maybe he will have a better idea than I had. So let's see how it goes. Other than that, I think the calendar from UI perspective doesn't look very appealing. It looks really, really hard and harsh and very not without any character. So we're gonna treat that later on. Let's focus on the functionality at the moment because that's the most important thing. So let's give him a chance to try that. Also, I would like to see, and I will tell him later, how a slot that is already taken is looking, and how the slot that is not relevant is visible. So we will do that later on. Let's see. Okay, did it do something? Yes, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. until 5. Okay, that's good. I see that there's a problem here with the scrolling. Okay, we're gonna handle that later on. So I see also that this is disabled. Great, nice. Let's book this. Oh, he gave me a pop-up just like I thought it would have. But I think I would like it to be more like a Google calendar feeling that I can still see the calendar. I can still set maybe another time that maybe I set something accidentally. Okay, let's iterate on that.